Hello guys, this is my first video. I'm UJ. Today the topic of my video is the journey of S&P 500. Today we are going to talk about personal finances and how you can enhance your wealth by doing things as a side hustle. So this is the best opportunity for those who don't have time, who are already doing their jobs and who want to do something to expand their wealth and to earn more than what they are earning. Also, there will be a graphical analysis in the end of the video. Must stay tuned. Start with S&P 500 index shares. This is the best option if you take it passively. Passive income is something we can earn as a side hustle without inserting much effort or without working more hours. Number one thing to do is to educate yourself. You need to know what options it has, how to invest in it, and how much potential it has for you to earn more and more, specifically in your case. Number two thing is, before making any decision, you need to clearly define your goals and your objectives. Write them down. Ask yourself, are you doing it for short-term gains, for long-term gains? You need to understand your own financial situation, your goals, and it's best if you take it as your retirement option.
Best opportunity for those who don't want to work additional hours and who want to earn over the years a good amount. Number one thing, you must determine why you want to invest, how much you want to invest, what are your goals.
The next thing is to understanding the fundamentals of the securities and researching the risk. Such analysis will help you to mitigate the risks and maximizing your wealth by investing wisely. So obviously, by mitigating the risk involved, you can maximize your earning potential. You also need to understand the timings properly. What are the timings when you can get the higher ROI on your investment? How to actually invest in such stocks. Choose a brokerage account for starting this way you can start investing in S&P 500 index. There are other factors such as fees, account minimums, customer service, and tools available for research. These are the 4 basic things should be in a good brokerage account. Keeping in mind all these things, you have so many options like Stage, Charles Schwab, and E-Trade. Then just go fund your account through your bank account, transfer the amount, then you can start investing in stocks. On your brokerage platform account, you can see the previous research, analysis, and how trends have been throughout the years. Now that you have funded your account and you have research, now it's time to start investing. As soon as you start buying shares, you will be getting shares of 500 top listed companies of USA, and then that way you will be getting a good amount as dividend. And periodically, this is safe. This is like a cycle: researching, analysis, buying, monitoring, and then again repeating the cycle. To earn substantial amount over the years, you need to keep monitoring of your investments, and this is the key of success. You need to keep an eye on trends and what's happening in economy, any news, anything that can impact the share market. Now, to trade like an expert, you need to additionally keep reviewing your strategies, whether they are working well or you need some amendments or improvements. Now you need to periodically review the strategy and make adjustments as necessary. Take it as a part of a strategy.
S&P 500 index, there is no limit. So you can buy a whole share, which is most of the times over the $1, and if you want to do fractional shares, that's the best option for you to start investment. That's the best thing for you to start. You can buy a fraction share of as much as $5. Some robo advisors like Stash for the fractional shares of as little as $5. Investing in funds like S&P 500 can be very rewarding. It is an opportunity. Investing in funds like S&P 500 can be a very rewarding indeed.
Let's have a quick glimpse of the data. Presently, this is the performance of S&P 500 index. We can see this is the first day chart. Now switch to the 3 months data, and you can see how it is rising. Now from year to date, see the performance chart. It keeps rising positively. Now to analyze deeply, let's switch to the max. From 1998, we can see the chart, how it is rising from few $100s to 1k plus, and then it keeps rising. These charts are the strongest indicators of the performance over the years. Now we need to see another thing. Analyze deeply how it has performed during the recession years from 2008, and every year it is just rising, and this is a very positive thing about this investment index. Now let's move towards the latest news about this index. We can see here we can see the Nasdaq rise for fifth month in a row. Another news analysis says these companies may have a boost because of softening of the dollar. And then 80% of S&P 500 reported positive earnings. One thing that should be clarified is that the dividends are paid by the participating companies, not directly by S&P 500 index.
Keep in mind, investing involves risk. It is important to conduct thorough research and seek professional advice whenever needed. See you in the next video. I hope you liked it. This is the best option for who doesn't know anything about investing and who want to earn additional income. So please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. And you must let me know in comment about what options do you want me to research on and to provide you with the best of knowledge as best as I can. Looking forward to your comments. Let me know if there is anything I need to improve about my videos. I really welcome all the feedback. This is my very first channel and I am very first time on camera. So please, please let me know what you want me to enhance or improve.